Whey protein is one of the most talked about supplements in fitness, yet it's still misunderstood by many people. Some think it's a shortcut. Some think it's harmful. Others think it's only for bodybuilders. But the reality is simple. Whey protein is just a tool that helps you meet one of the most important requirements for muscle growth and recovery: protein intake. Every time you step into the gym and train, you are breaking your muscles down. Every rep, every set, every heavy lift creates stress on your muscle fibers. This breakdown is necessary because growth doesn't happen during the workout. It happens after, when your body repairs those fibers and makes them stronger. But that repair process depends on one thing: nutrition. And at the center of that nutrition is protein. Protein provides amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. If your body doesn't get enough protein, recovery slows down, muscle growth becomes limited, and all the effort you put into training starts to give you less return. That's why protein intake is not optional. It's essential. Now, this is where whey protein comes in. Whey protein is derived from milk and is considered a complete protein source. That means it contains all the essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. Among these amino acids, leucine plays a major role in triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process that actually builds muscle. Whey protein is rich in leucine, which makes it highly effective for recovery and growth. Another major advantage of whey protein is its speed of absorption. After a workout, your muscles are more sensitive to nutrients. This is often referred to as the recovery window. During this time, your body can use protein more efficiently to repair muscle damage. Whole foods are important, but they take time to digest. Whey protein is fast digesting, which means it delivers amino acids to your muscles quickly, helping you recover faster and reduce muscle breakdown. But whey protein is not just about speed, it's also about convenience. In an ideal world, you would get all your protein from whole foods. But in reality, that's not always possible. Busy schedules, limited meal options, and inconsistent eating habits make it difficult to meet daily protein requirements. Whey protein fills that gap. It gives you a quick, easy, and reliable way to ensure your body gets what it needs. It's also important to understand how whey protein supports different fitness goals. If your goal is muscle gain, whey protein helps provide the extra protein needed to build new muscle tissue. If your goal is fat loss, whey protein helps preserve lean muscle while you're in a calorie deficit. Maintaining muscle during fat loss is crucial because it keeps your metabolism active and helps you achieve a lean, defined physique instead of just losing weight. Whey protein also supports recovery beyond just muscles. Intense training affects your entire body, your joints, your nervous system, your overall energy levels. Proper protein intake helps your body repair and adapt, allowing you to train harder and more frequently without breaking down. Another benefit that often goes unnoticed is how whey protein helps with consistency. Fitness is not about one workout or one meal. It's about what you do every single day. When your nutrition is inconsistent, your results become inconsistent. Whey protein helps remove that uncertainty. It gives you a simple way to stay on track even on busy or difficult days. But it's important to clear one misconception. Whey protein is not a replacement for real food. It's a supplement, which means it is meant to support your diet, not replace it. This is Bodybuilding India. Like, share, and subscribe.